In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a YouTube video to Google Slides. This is a fantastic way to enhance your presentations by incorporating engaging visual content directly into your slides. So let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. First, you'll want to open your Google Slides presentation. Navigate to the specific deck where you want to add a YouTube video. If this is already open, great. If not, go ahead and pull up the document in Google Slides. With your presentation open, find the slide that you envision your video appearing on. Clicking directly on that slide will ensure it's active and ready to have your video added. This is a crucial step because the video will automatically be inserted into whichever slide is currently selected. Once you've got the slide selected, take a look at the top of your screen to locate the menu bar. Here's where you'll find various options to modify your presentation. Click on the option that says Insert. A drop-down menu will appear. Scroll down slightly and find Video. This action will prompt a pop-up window to open, which is our doorway to adding a video. In this window, you'll notice several options, but for our purposes today, click on the tab labeled YouTube. This choice takes you to a simple interface where you have two routes to find your desired video. First, you can search for a video by entering relevant keywords. The search function will make it easy to browse through a list of videos until you find the perfect one. Alternatively, if you already have a specific YouTube URL in mind, simply paste it directly into the space provided. Whichever option you choose, once you've selected your video, don't forget to click the Select button. This is the final move to insert it into your presentation slide. After the video shows up on the slide, you might need to adjust its size or location. Do this by clicking and dragging the corners of the video to resize it, or by dragging it to another spot on the slide until you're satisfied with its positioning. This flexibility allows you to fit your video into the overall design of your slide seamlessly. Finally, for those who want to take it a step further, you can click on Format Options. This provides additional settings such as specifying a start and end time for your video, enabling autoplay when presenting, or muting the audio, depending on your needs. And that's it. You've successfully embedded a YouTube video into your Google Slides. Implementing this feature can significantly elevate your presentations, making them more dynamic and engaging for your audience. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.